Hello dear friends, in this video I will talk about Risk Dashboard created in Power BI desktop application. This report has 5 pages and combines information about risks of projects, actions list and lessons learned list. The file is created based on folder with up to 200 plus risk registers. Those risk registers are created in Excel. All risk register has the same structure, file structure. Therefore, it's possible to connect to folder indicating the worksheet from where information is taken for risk statistics. Besides risks, file is also connected to 4 action tracker registries, and it's connected to more than 200 lessons learned registries. They again have the same structure of file, therefore we're connected to folders, and it's possible even when additional files are added, additional files with the same structure added to folder, Power BI can easily accept them as the structure is the same. So as we said, we have 5 pages. First page is navigation page. It allows you to go to any of selected pages of report. So let's move to first page, which is called risks. As I already mentioned, risks are connected to folder with 200 plus number of risk registers in Excel file. So as usual, we have title, we have 2 buttons, one for clear filters from this area, one to return to menu. We have analytics area. For example, we have comparison opportunities versus threats. We have threats by status, proposed, open or closed, and we have opportunities by status, open versus closed. We know that 193 risks are transferred to client. We have list of risks transferred to client here. We have pre-mitigation risks score, and we have post-mitigation risk score. They are presented in these 2 tables. Then we have analytics from pre-mitigation risk scores and post-mitigation risk score. We have risk and opportunities summary. We have risks by manageability, risk breakdown structure by phase, number of risks by response type. And that's all for first page, risks page. Let's move to next page, which is called risk tracker. This page uses one Excel file as a source. That file combines information about lessons learned and risks. Every project is presented as one line in this risk tracker, and then it's summarized, and we see the total number of projects is 158, number of lessons learned completed 51, distribution by status, projects by status, and as usually at the end we have register if we want to understand, for example, what are these live or as outstanding risks. We click on this item and we see 3 items that are in live OS status. If I click again, I will remove filter. Now let's move to actions area. As I already mentioned, actions files are 4 depending on location of project. Actions analytics shows us actions by status, actions closure statistics, total actions, action closed, and actions closed in time, and actions by risk type, cost or schedule, or cost and schedule. Then at the bottom we have statistics by project lead and statistics by project engineer. At the bottom, we have action tracker. If we want to understand some part of this visuals or of these two tables, we can select it. For example, Eldar Bakashov, and we will see that actions are automatically filtered based on our selection. And we deselect this to remove filters. This is all for actions. Now let's move to lessons learned page. Lesson learned page contains statistics which comes from 200 plus different lessons learned files. They are combined into one big registry and then analyzed. As usual, we have title, we have filters, buttons, and analytics at the bottom. So we have lessons learned statistics, lessons learned by WBS, area, by discipline, and by asset. We have comparison, lesson learned positive versus negative, lessons learned actual closed versus open, lessons learned safety versus non-safety, and lessons learned by phase of project. And at the bottom, we have details register of lessons learned tracker. So it was all about visuals of this risk register report. Now let's go to model type, model button, and let's see how model of this file is organized. As you see, the main information comes from risks, risk tracker, action tracker, and lessons learned. We also have risk register update information, which also comes from risks. And we have post-risk categories, pre-risk categories, and risk measures assistant tables. This measures table just holds all measures that are in system into one table, just for being comfortable to use them. So it's all about model. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you find something useful for yourself. And thank you for watching me. Thank you. And thank you for watching video.